F. Price runs show bearishness, which is important. F. Type of I obstruction at 1364.37, which is pretty important as of April 22, 2023. The 24-hour trade volume for Ethereum is $10,469,093,174, and the price is currently $1,421.10. In this video, we'll specifically go over the Ethereum price analysis for now or for about a week from now and try to answer some of the most common questions. What do you think the price of Ethereum, also known as ETH, will be in the short term? What are the support and barrier levels for Ethereum, etc.? Before getting into the technical study of Ethereum, this is a very important question to answer. Let's talk a little bit about the kind of current economic situations that are clearly very important. In spite of what most people think, market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours there was a loss of 1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to $1.154. 329.27.72 and showing that the Amobi is now worth $1,421.10 even though the total trading volume is at $1,421.10. Bitcoin Cash has 45.72% of the opening market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. Because of this, the price of Bitcoin Cash has gone down by 2.73% in the last 24 hours, to $27,275.35. This is different from what most people think about other digital currencies, as the value of Ethereum has dropped by 3.36% to $1,854.11. Contrary to what most people think, one XRP coin is worth about $3.99 and can be exchanged for 45 cents right now. Moreover, after a 0.77% drop in value, Coco's BCX hit 60 cents, which is a very big deal. Most of the time, these things mean that the market is currently going down, which is a very important sign. Critically, the crypto market has been going down all over the place. Most of what Ethereum supports and what it blocks goes against what most people think is right. Support and obstruction are important technical terms that are used to describe most real situations. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of a coin from going down further. Resistance is a level where sellers become more active and stop the price of a coin from going up. The price of Ethereum is $1,854.11, which is 3.36% less than it was 24 hours ago. Its value has changed by 11.8% over the past week, which shows how volatile it is. While circulating this blog, BNB traded at $323.16 after a price change of $1.42 in a short amount of time. This is a pretty big difference. One day's trading volume for BTC is $10,469,093,174 while the total market cap is $223,260,821,918. This shows that the following are the support and resistance levels of Ethereum execution. The price of Ethereum is at $1,854.11, which is down 3.36% in the last 24 hours. Its value has changed by 11.8% over the past week, which shows how volatile it is. While this block was being sent, ENB traded at 323.16 with a price difference of 1.42 in the same amount of time. In a huge way, only about 120,414,108 are available for use out of 120,414,108 in total. This shows that the 24-hour trading volume for Ethereum is $10,469,093,108, which is a lot of money. Ethereum Value Assessment ETH Price Assessment for April 22, 2023 in a normal timeframe is shown below. It shows how Bitcoin Cash's price dropped to $27,200.75 and 35 cents after a ROT of 2.73. In a practical way, we use relative strength file moving. Typical association and uniqueness support levels, impediment levels, different time moving midpoints, including direct moving, regular moving, and emotional moving. It's pretty common to think about how Ethereum will change in the future. However, in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1.543.292.283.72. It's also interesting that the AMA is currently at $1421.10. After a very specific mix, the MACD line has mostly stayed above the truly signal line, and Ethereum's levels of support and resistance have mostly followed suit. Ether implementation. The price of Ethereum is currently $1,854.11, which is 3.36% less than it was 24 hours ago. Its value has changed by 11.8% over the past week, which shows how ENB traded at $323.16 after changing by $1.42 over the same time period. Investors should wait for a change in direction to show up on a daily chart, so market analysis, which is basically a very high RSI showing a consolidation stage while trading at 42, is trying to break out of the neutrality zone against conventional wisdom, while S. Williams %R marker is at 28.959 for the 14-day time span, showing a neutral condition exchange. The Ethereum market is showing signs of being bearish, and in the next few days, sellers could drive down the price of the digital currency. Even though each day is different, this shows that the Ethereum market tends to move in the same way. Accounting for 7.18% of all cryptocurrencies' total 24-hour volume. All stablecoins are now at $32.31 billion, accounting for 92.87% of the crypto market's entire 24-hour value. On the market, Bitcoin was worth approximately $543 billion. It was the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's market share is now 46.67%, 0.23% lower than it was yesterday. Bitcoin has been strong, and it has grown in all 4 months of the year for the first time since 2013. It is currently in a short-term decline, but there is solid support at $27,000 if it falls any more. Once it bounces back, said Vikram Subburaj, CEO of Giadas crypto platform, getting back $30,000 will be the best way to go.